Hello and welcome to this session on speeding your design process with Solid Edge data management. My name is Ali Nadimi. I am an application engineer for Siemens Digital Industries Software, and I'll be your presenter today. In today's session, we will start by going over some challenges that companies face in data management. We introduce Solid Edge built-in data management, its capabilities, and how it can help companies speed up design processes, and end it with some next steps. Let's get us started by going over some challenges in data management field. According to a Tech Clarity survey with over 2,000 manufacturers, they state best-in-class manufacturers spend 25% less time on non-productive data management tasks. This equated to engineers on average spend 1 day per week on non-value added activities. Let's look at the cost of most of the methods for managing CAD and other product-related data. If you're in the 26% of the companies with designers spending more than 20% of their time on non-productive data management tasks, like searching, organizing, or locating files for other people, that can add up to 1 full day of work per week for each designer. Even if your designers are spending less time than this managing data, when you consider how much you pay each design engineer, it's easy to see that the cost of non-productive data management tasks to your business. There are many needs for a data management solution, and data management typically encompasses numerous technology requiring integration. And this list goes on. How can we help with all these needs? Let me introduce Solid Edge and Solid Edge built-in data management. Solid Edge is a key part of the Siemens Accelerator portfolio and is focused on the requirement of small and medium-sized manufacturers. Solid Edge enables manufacturers to create a comprehensive digital twin of their products. This includes solutions for mechanical design, electrical design, simulation, manufacturing, and technical publications. It also includes solutions for data management for all the technical data that is created and consumed when supporting the comprehensive digital twin. It facilitates collaboration both within manufacturing companies and with external resources, including suppliers and customers. Solid Edge is the on-ramp to digital transformation. As mentioned before, Solid Edge includes solutions for mechanical design, electrical design, simulation, manufacturing, technical publications, and more importantly, data management, which will be our focus for today's presentation. How do you like the sound of instant searches, easy revisions, and release management, optional cloud-based vaulting, and many more capabilities for all levels of Solid Edge? Sounds great to me, and that is all achievable with Solid Edge built-in data management. Let's go over some of the capabilities in Solid Edge data management. Lots of data management capabilities out of the box with Solid Edge, and most importantly of all, there is no need for additional IT resources, no SQL, no databases. Finding files is fast and easy. What better tool to integrate with than Windows Explorer? Something every Microsoft user knows. Revision control capabilities include tools to measure impact of any changes. You have control over naming rules, release processes, have access to shape search and dynamic visualization, which is new with Solid Edge 2022, and the list goes on. We will go over each of these topics in a little bit. The workflow is also very simple. You can start by defining custom properties that will be used for searches, then define a storage location for Solid Edge to work with, configure all your options and revision preferences, along with any display preferences and file naming rules. It's that easy to start using the Solid Edge data management out of the box. So as promised, let's dive a bit deeper into capabilities for the Solid Edge data management. Let's get started with capabilities for instant searching. Fast Search for Solid Edge allows for searching files from Windows Explorer or from Solid Edge using file names and properties. These properties can be standard or custom, as Solid Edge allows for fast search on custom properties to extend the scope of searching for files. Furthermore, multiple folders across single or multiple machines can be chosen for fast search. Where used and open draft commands are also very useful for searching files. Where use allows the users to see where else a file may be used. For example, an assembly used in a drawing, or a part file used in a drawing or another assembly. Open draft file allows the user to quickly find and open drawings of the part or the assembly. If more than one drawing available, the command gives you an option to choose from a list of drawings. Let's jump now into capabilities for organized data. Solid Edge data management comes with unique file naming capabilities out of the box. Users can set part numbering schemes and ensure that only unique document numbers are used to prevent part duplication and ensure consistent numbering within a company. Distributed file access option can lock files at other sites during edits to ensure correct ownership. This is a perfect tool, especially for collaborating seamlessly using popular cloud storage services such as Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, or Box, as it mitigates duplicating parts. Now onto revision control and lifecycle management capabilities. Users can perform revisions from the Solid Edge Data Management tab or Save As command, and have even the option to make Solid Edge automatically revise the draft part as well when revising a part or assembly. The Get Latest command reloads indirect components with the latest revisions or release versions. The command displays in Pathfinder the revision icon to the left of every part that has a new revision available. A status of a file is key to lifecycle management and allows users to fully control their files. Solid Edge files can have a status of available, in work, release, or optional status of in review, obsolete, or baseline in design and property manager. Solid Edge also allows users to select the option to automatically set a draft status to match the part status. Check-in and check-out capabilities are also available in Solid Edge data management. One-step workflow. Solid Edge data management introduces one-step workflow for approvals, with two options for quick release in which the user releases the file, or one-step release in which a reviewer is added for file release. Solid Edge users have many options for approvals. In the release workflow, file name, document number, revision, and title properties can be automatically populated via workflow description, and all properties are editable and removable by users at any time. For comparison, we can see the quick release and one-step release have similar capabilities for including and updating drawings and generating assembly reports. However, one-step release includes email notifications as a review is needed. Now onto shape search. With Solid Edge Shape Search, users can search for 3D models based on the shape of a new or existing model. Results can be filtered in browser using properties, and they can be compared with an existing model in Solid Edge using compare models. This is a big cost saving by preventing duplicate parts. Now let's quickly watch a demo on the capabilities we discussed until this point. Solid Edge Data Management is an out-of-the-box solution to assist file management. With various file open options directly from Windows Explorer, users can get access to advanced files open option. This is also available for the files listed under most recently used documents. Since the pop circle assembly is one of them, we can use the advanced options to open a specific display configurations. As we can see, this subassembly is missing an emergency push stop button. It is common for designers to be unsure if a required part is already modeled or available in the vault. With shape search capability in Solid Edge, you can search for files in an unmanaged environment based on shape similarity. The user sketches an approximation of the profile and with the help of synchronous technology, quickly converts it into a 3D model. Using the new shape search capability, Solid Edge scans the available database for similar looking parts. Filters are available for users to approximate the match criteria. As we can see, there are two similar parts available in the database. Let us select the part with the title Emergency Stop Push button. The shape search results are compared with the original part, and the accuracy of the size is displayed as a percentage value. A single click downloads the part and opens it in Solid Edge. For detailed comparison of the models, we can use the Compare Models tool in Solid Edge. We will compare the original model with the search result to understand the difference between the two. Compare Models provides a detailed comparison of the geometry and property information. Users can visualize the difference in added volume, volume common in both models, and remove volume. A report can be generated and saved for documentation and referential purposes. Solid Edge Shape Search eliminates the tedious task of searching similar parts. One of the key tasks involved in document management are unique file names. Solid Edge Data Management provides automatic and unique file numbering by default. It is also intelligent, as we will see in this example. A draft file has been created, and upon saving, Solid Edge automatically detects the original 3D document and persists the same file name. If the 3D file is revised, the corresponding draft file revision is also updated. Since links between files are maintained, opening existing drawings of parts and subassemblies is quick and easy. Users do not have to search for draft files in various folders. To understand the impact of a revision on the design, where use provides the list of files where this subassembly is being used. Previews enable visual feedback to users. This is another tool that assists better design decisions. Get Latest provides a visual cue to users working in a collaborative environment. Since multiple users may be working on the same project, newer or released version of certain components may be available. The users can now update the assembly by replacing older versions with the newer or released versions. As we see here, the piston arrangement has been updated to reflect the latest working revision. Alternatively, we also provide capabilities to selectively see the available revisions of a part or assembly. In this example, the user notices that the operating switch has a release version. Since this version has been approved, he replaces the existing yellow colored switch with a green option. Included with Solid Edge Data Management are workflows. There are two workflow types available: quick release and one-step release. Sharing and moving projects is easy. Using Pack and Go utility, all relevant files of a project, both 3D and 2D, can be packaged and placed in a single folder. With the comprehensive tools for efficient document management and reusing existing data, Solid Edge Data Management helps reduce overall time to market. I hope you enjoyed that demo. Finally, I want to introduce to you a feature that was released in Solid Edge 2022, which should make your life for filtering different models in an assembly much easier. Dynamic visualization provides interactive access to document properties based on reports containing rules. Rules are easily built with Microsoft Excel-like filters within interactive tables. Dynamic visualization includes color-coded rules with fast indexing of properties while assembly loads, and support for standard and custom properties. In this example, we are showing components that have not been saved and cannot be saved in red, and components that will overwrite files on disk in blue using the dynamic visualization. So let's see this new feature in action. Solid Edge Data Management is an out-of-the-box solution to assist file management. New with Solid Edge 2022 Data Management is dynamic visualization, which enables users to quickly and interactively view, filter, and generate rules for querying property information in a design. Here, we will use dynamic visualization to do a quick material check on our Fiamma copy machine. We'll use a previously saved report, which will quickly load some previously defined rules for querying part made from aluminum 1060, which will be shown in red, and ABS plastic, which will be shown in blue. We can then quickly add a third category for stainless steel 304. These will be shown in green. Simple commands are available for deleting, renaming, and even reordering the categories. Once we run the report, we see we have an issue. The two small handles at the rear of the design are colored red, and they have incorrect and different material from the larger handles. In this case, we'll ask the design team to revise the handles and correct material definition. The update status info command will force an update on our design and will retrieve information such as new revision. Once we do this, we can clearly see in the Pathfinder that we have a new revision for the handles from our design team. The Get Latest command then also provides a visual cue to users working in a collaborative environment and allows us to update the assembly by replacing older revisions with newer revisions. As we see here, the smaller handles have now been updated to reflect the latest working revision. If we run the Save Dynamic Visualization report again, we can see the coloring allows for quick visual check and everything is in order. I hope you enjoyed that, so let's talk next steps now. To learn more about Solid Edge 2022, visit us at siemens.com/solidedge2022 or simply use your smartphone to capture the QR code pictured here. If you're not already a member of the Solid Edge Community Forum, I highly encourage you to join. Once a member, you'll get access to a wealth of knowledge. You'll be able to browse blog posting, read articles, and hear about the latest news from Solid Edge. You can also ask questions, exchange ideas, and benefit from other user experiences on our moderated forum. And finally, you'll have access to our extensive knowledge base from which you'll be able to increase your skills. So go and join right away. Thank you for listening to this presentation, and if you have any questions, you can contact me via email.